Arrive in style with this 2018 Kia Sedona LX. If you are looking for a first-rate auto, this one could be yours today. Some of the top features included with this vehicle are 276 horsepower, 4 doors, 4-wheel ABS brakes, 8-way power adjustable driver's seat, air conditioning, audio controls on steering wheel, automatic transmission, Bluetooth, clock, in-radio display and daytime running lights. This vehicle shows low mileage and has a smooth ride. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.